Hi, welcome to RaCo Woodworking. Today we're going to be making this rustic farmhouse tray. Really simple and easy to make. All you need is one piece of 1x4 inch board and a couple handles. Stay tuned, that's coming up next. Cut the boards we need for the tray. We're going to cut 4 boards at 18 inches and 2 boards at 14 inches. So I got my 4 pieces of 18-inch board for my bottom. So I'm just going to glue those together and put a clamp on it for the base. My boards are now glued together, and I got my 2 14-inch top rails laid down. I'm just going to nail the bottom onto the rails from the bottom up. So just a couple 1.25 inch brad nails. So the next thing to do is give it a nice sanding, probably using 220 grit sandpaper, and to stain it. So now that we got it all stained and put a couple coats of clear coat on it, the last thing to do is to put on the handles. So I just got them centered on both sides. And that's it for the project. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe and hit the like button below.